What's up, guys? I got a Doctor infrared heater right here, and used it for a few years and it stopped working. Right now it's plugged in. I got nothing. Doesn't come on at all. If you want to remove this panel right here, there's like 4 screws right here behind this plastic cover. You can cut a little hole right here to access the screw if you need to remove this panel right here to replace the switches or button or something like that. But let me try to open it and see if I can figure out what's wrong with it. Let me go unplug the power. So I went ahead and flipped the thing upside down. You can actually access the back panel by removing these 2 screws right here, and this thing will slide out. And I got a towel on the bottom to keep the wood from scratching. I'm gonna remove this panel right here, see if you can find anything wrong with it. Kind of hard to tell anything got burnt out or not. So the bottom screws are undone, but the front panel is still attached to the box. I guess I could have peeled off a little bit on the corner right here and undo the screws. Then you can glue it back. This way you don't have these holes showing. Oh well, live and learn. See this fuse right here? Possibility is burnt out. The fuse is fine. I'm gonna try to bypass the switch and see it comes on. Maybe I got a bad switch. So here's my switch right here. I'm gonna try to bridge this wire together to make it continuous. So this wire right here actually broke off from the switch, and that's why it's not working no more. So I'm gonna try to attempt to touch this part right here to make a continuous loop and see that will solve the problem. Let me go ahead and attach it. See there's power coming through it. The light's on. And now it's working. Alright. So let me go and solder the wire back onto the switch. So I'm gonna attempt to solder onto here. Connect the wire back onto here. And it's plugged back in, and we're going to turn on the switch. And it's working. And it's working. And the heater coil is heating right now. And that's it. Just a bad switch. Whoop, it shuts off. It did not solve the problem, but now I know it's a switch. I see how the I think the switch is going out. It's working, but it's intermittent. I didn't want to go to the store, and I was looking around my shop, and I was thinking about a toggle switch like this right here, and I found this for my table saw. But and again, I had to cut a hole in it. This is too big. I was thinking about go down to Walmart or something and pick up a toggle switch, but I'm too lazy to go down there. Then looking around, I found this lava lamp. It has a inline toggle switch. I jack it from here, and basically take some of the wiring from there and make a loop coming back, allow me to use this wire right here, and what it does is just a continuity off and on. So replacing this switch right here, I pop out that button right there, and I got it plugged in already. All I need to just flip the switch and it comes on, and it's working. Turn it off. So I found out the switch is the problem that's causing this thing not to come on, and I went ahead and went down to Home Depot and got a toggle switch for it, and this is a part number right here. The part number is GSW11. It's an on and off toggle switch. It's 20 amp, 125 volts. And what I did was I removed the button from here, and using a hot soldering iron I removed the plastic that's in the way, at the same time forming a shape to allow this switch to be snugly fit in here. So I got a flat soldering iron, and I was molding it and remove anything's in the way, and I was able to press out on the plastic here to mold around the switch, so it would fit nicely in there. Then connect the two wires and put back the nut washer right here and secure it, and that's it. And that solved the problem. And this only costs about $5. And if you want to get the original switch to come with this unit right here, I'm gonna put a picture of it here, and it costs from this company. Yeah, so if you need it in a hurry and you don't want to wait and you want to fix it, you can put a toggle switch on it for $5, and you can pick this from Home Depot or Lowe's too. Alright, so I hope this video is helpful on repairing your infrared Dr. heater when you have a broken switch. Alright, thanks for watching. Catch you next time. Bye.